Ugh. God damn, my lips. Hold on. So yeah, this is my head right now, man. About to do the freeform tutorial, walkthrough / follow along, whatever. Basically, I cut my hair.
The fuck's up with? I lost.
Because I wanted freeform dreads, and yeah, this is day one of it. I already sponged it up, as you can see. Got the sponge. And it's gonna be like a little weekly thing. So I'm about to walk y'all through how I do it. I already did this yesterday for the first time, but like, for the sake of the video, I'll show y'all again. So the first thing you wanna do is get this right here. Single line locking gel. This is what I use. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just use a little bit because my hair don't really need that right now. Also grab you a little bit. Rub it in through your hair. Next thing you're gonna do is
Relax.
I use this, but any real like curling, custard, like, you know, anything like that to get a little bit curl effect. Get a little bit of that, rub it in, put it in your hair. Next thing you're gonna do, use this little spray. A little bit, just spray your hair, spray. Not gonna really do it too much because I already did this, but I'm saying a little bit. It's good to keep your hair dry once you do it, but.
Just rub that in.
And last thing I do, this right here. See, I've been using it. Clearly, this shit almost finished. Whoa. Do grow. See if this helps my hair grow faster, you know? So what I do is just put a little bit throughout your hair, the sides, back. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, and then just rub it in. And then from there, you know, you're gonna sponge. Sponge all day if you have to, bro. For real. You can even put like on the sponge. And then from there, then you sponge it. So really get that shit to lock as fast as possible, bro. Do this all day, bro. You gotta have this all day with you, bro.
Many months later.
But yeah, though, just a couple things to note before I end this video. So you wanna, all these products, only do it like no more than twice a week, bro. Like 1 to 2 times a week, you wanna add these products, especially when you're starting. And yeah, you gotta sponge. This is the key right here. You gotta sponge all the time, like 24/7. Like you catch yourself not sponging for 5 minutes while you're doing nothing, then you're not doing it correctly. Like you have to do this 24/7. I know I'm gonna be sponging while I'm editing this video. You feel me? Like you just gotta keep doing it and doing it and doing it and doing it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, don't wash your hair. Don't wet your hair. Like, I mean, when I go to what the fuck is that? The gym, or if I'm like working out, doing some like field work, like I sweat, but that's fine. But in terms of like when you're in the shower, don't wet your hair, don't wash your hair, none of that. Especially in the first stages when you need it to lock, like me. Nah, son, nah. But yeah, that's about it. Hope y'all learned how to do this. If y'all are starting out, then y'all could join me doing this, because I've seen a lot of videos where people already have they freeform dreads, and it's like, damn, you wish you could see what they look like when they first started. So this is what it looks like when you're first starting, bro. So we about to see what this looks like. It's gonna be like a progress thing. So yeah, man, that's that.